All right, guys, Rachel here, and I, again, am excited, just like every other time that I'm on here. But I'm showing you a pre-owned Rockwood. And for the price, and for the fact that it's a bunkhouse, it's got 2 doors, it is fiberglass, I'm just amazed. I can't wait to show you the inside. I don't even think that the pictures or the video is up on the website. Now, the layout might be on the website, so once everybody sees this, it is absolutely gonna go fast. You want information, let me know as soon as possible. You can call, text, or email. You can come up and see me at Funtown RV in Waco. Ask for Rachel. But let's start from the back. Let's start from the outside in. Now, this Rockwood is a 2016. This Rockwood is a 2016 in great condition. 2016 Rockwood. It is model 8312SS. It has, let's see, 1, 2 slides, 2 awnings, 2 doors. It's got an outdoor kitchen that is amazing. Let's see if I can get it open with one hand. Yes, I did. Okay, look at that. So you've got a nice big fridge, plenty of storage. You got a sink, microwave, a griddle. I mean, absolutely everything that you can need. You got the outdoor shower hose. So this is really nice. And again, 2 doors. Everybody, I love 2 doors. Let's take a look inside. So right away you can see the wood. I love this wood floor, or the look of the wood floor. Absolutely nice. It looks like they got brand new couches whenever they brought this in, or at some point. They look brand spanking new, and they are super comfortable. You've got your dinette with also brand new dinette table couches or chairs or seats that match the couch. Love it. Okay, so in the kitchen, we've got that refrigerator that matches the wood all the way around. I love that. Plenty of space here. Plenty of space to put what you need in here. You got your fridge, freezer. You've got a 3-burner, your oven, and your microwave. And then, of course, you've got plenty of room. A nice big sink over here as well. You've got your entertainment over here, a stereo, plenty of storage over there as well. And then to the right, you got your master bedroom, which is on both sides, plenty of space to walk on both sides. Now, it has a door on both sides because because of the bed being so big, you kind of can't get in here. But you got your entertainment over here, storage on each side, a place to put your phone, book, whatever you might be doing, and some drawer on each side as well. So it looks great, and I believe, yeah, there's storage underneath, so you got drawers underneath there and then storage underneath as well. Over here, down the hall, you've got your bathroom that has the door. So again, this is a big bathroom. Like, there's enough space in here to do your thing, but it just doesn't feel like you're squeezing in. So storage, you've got storage in here. A nice big shower with a tub, nice big sink, and again, storage underneath. But I mean, this tub is deep and the shower is big enough for, you know, a couple people to fit in. So it's a nice bathroom. Over here, you've got some more storage, which is always nice. These move, so if you want to hang up some clothes, you've got that option as well. And then you've got your bunkhouse. Look at this. So plenty of room. There might have been a couch, excuse me, a couch at some point right over there. But now you can put a desk, you can put another couch. I'm assuming that this goes up so it can get out of the way. You've got an extra table here as well, so it could be a dinette, desk, however you want to put it. Another bed on this side, and this bed, guys, is very long. very long. So it's not your normal twin size. You can put your entertainment here, plenty of storage in here. I mean, this is fantastic. I love the space in here. So if you're looking for a bedroom, an extra bedroom, where you have the opportunity to either have an office, a bunkhouse with 2 or more beds, this is the unit, because when you see the price, you're going to be shocked. So guys, let me know if you need anything, want any information, because this is gonna go. This is gonna go super fast. I don't care. 2016 in great condition, and it is a rockwood. So, and I don't know if you know anything about rockwood, but they are very well built. So let me know what you guys think. Call, text, email, come see me, and until next time.